Okay. We're cleaning our own air conditioner. The split type. You start by removing the screws. There's really just only 3 screws. 4. You can remove that one. Lako mo yung metong filter. You just pull it down. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Okay. You lift. There should be 3. There's 1 more. There you go. There you go, slowly. You gotta remove the cover first. Lako mo pa yung takap. Remove the connection. Yeah, get it out, and I never put it back. There you go. That's it. Now the whole thing. Wait, there's 1 more. There's 1 more right here. Oh, because the whole thing is gonna come off. You gotta take this out too. Right here. There we go. Now you can take the whole thing off. Hold on. Let me get out of your way. The whole thing should come off. Just like that. Careful. It needs a little, yeah. I don't think there's any more. Pining masakit yan. Hold this. I'm gonna go up there. Maka-record yan? Yep. Huh? In. Then, no? Then. Okay. What's holding it over there? Right here. Oh, no. It should just come off. Ah, there we go. We should have taken this out.
Naku, pa mo yung makasalabat tayo, no? Nilali ako, de pa. Yan.
Use one. There we go. And then you just flex it. There.
Yan. Karinya pala makasabit.
Alright. Ooh, dirty. Oh my God. It's like nasty, nasty. Oh my God, katangkay ka niyan. So, we got the plastic around it to keep the water from going all over. Now he's spraying, rinsing to see if we can get the grime out of it. It was pretty dirty. Of course, it hasn't been cleaned since they put it on. Or they put it in. Yeah. All right. Oh, I thought it was coming out. Then you just spray it. We sprayed the cleaner and we're gonna let it sit for 3 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse it off and that should do it. This is what we're getting out of our roller cage. Because like I said, since it was installed, it hasn't been cleaned. We just barely learned how to do it ourselves. Otherwise, they would have charged us 1,000 pesos each. And they don't even do a thorough cleaning. He's just spraying the roller cage under until all the gunk is gone.
Now you got cleaning solution. How many minutes does that soak for?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. I know my wife read if you leave it too long, it's not good. It'll like gunk back up. So you gotta spray it on and clean it no more than 3 minutes. Hose it off. I got a 4-pack of it off Lazada. The Amazon of the Philippines. In the States, Amazon's pretty popular. Walmart has its online one, and apparently Target's trying to compete now with the little online buy everything so you don't have to shop physically. Just compare Walmart online to Amazon online and Target or whoever else and click of a button. So let that sit for 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Still foaming. And you can see the dirt running out of it. Nice and clean now. That'll make it work more efficiently. emptied the water bucket. Water bucket's gone. Now you gotta wipe it down. Dry it off a bit. And remove the cleaning cap cover. A little bit of water on the wall, not much. If you're really worried about it, you can put a couple towels on the floor underneath it. I have a TV on the wall that has an air conditioner over. We just put a couple towels over the TV. Or you can use a blanket. Contains the water fairly good. Wipe all the dust off the cover, inside and out. And after you wipe the cover, you install it over the clean air conditioner. Everything's clean, inside and out. On the, I guess this would be the inverter unit, and the fan outside is the cooling unit. I don't know. Screws back in. Are there just 2 screws? Or 3? Oh, there's another one. Right there on the bottom. Oh, 2. Whoa. And then cut the little pigtail back in. Plug them together, clip them in place. And then put filters in. and that little vent that swings. You can aim your airflow or have it swing back and forth. Clip that back in, put the cover down. And then the final test is turn it on with the remote. Now there it is. Clean as the day as it was installed. At least the inner unit. Okay, you're going to clean an outside unit, but this one didn't go with the one I just showed you because he did the outsides first. Of two of them because they're next to each other up on the roof. Then he did the inside ones. This is Grandma's, my mother-in-law's. We already cleaned the inside of it not too long ago, but we might probably have them do it again probably tomorrow because my wife and her sisters, we bought the cleaning solution, that cover, that elastic cover that funnels into the bucket, and they bought a battery operated hand sprayer, but it seems like this hose works better. The other one, I don't know, it just doesn't have the quantity of water flowing out of it because you can't have too high of a pressure. It bends those aluminum fins and it'll make it bad, and pressure washers too much, and that little handheld one barely is enough. So he's cleaning the outside unit because the inside was done a month or so ago. But we'll have him clean it again tomorrow because it was done with the little electric hand pump. The hose from outside seems to work better. Plus hers runs 24/7. 3 times more than any of the other ones that are only used for maybe 8 hours for sleeping. Just got a few screws. This is the oldest unit. Actually, it's the only unit. This was installed before we even moved here a year and 8 months ago. Actually not sure how many years old this is. All the other ones are like a year old at best. And this one's a different brand than the other ones. All the other ones are, shoot, I can't remember the name offhand. But this one's a Daikin. It's got about 6 or 8 screws. Is there something right there? Is it clipped onto that? See in that hole? Isn't there something sticking in here? What's in there? This is not a push button, is it? Oh, the other ones are AUX. I guess it's pronounced aux. Short for auxiliary, maybe? I don't know. They're all the same brand except this one. So it comes apart differently. Those hosing it away. Ah, that water's filthy. Clean all that dirt out of those vents. Look at the color of that water. And all that junk. So that's the inside unit cleaned and the outside unit. Now, people might say, oh, I can get it done cheaper, or oh, you paid too much, but the people that installed them, when we paid them to clean it. When they installed another one, we'd have one of the ones in the house clean. Like I said, there's 8 air conditioners. My wife said 7 because we cleaned the one, so he's only cleaning 7 of them. But we have 8. Actually 9 if you count the one in the warehouse we just had installed. So if you were to pay, it was 1,000 pesos per air conditioning unit. That would be 9,000 pesos. Now that would probably be a fair price. I've seen someone else do a video. He had someone clean them out really nice. They had a pickup truck. They took them out, took the unit off the wall, both inside and out, brought them in a pickup truck to they had an actual shop. You have overhead costs for the workers, the electricity, the vehicle, and all that stuff. So, you know, the installers, they have the same thing, a truck. So you got overhead in any kind of business. But if you know a guy like a handyman that knows how to do it, we generally, and someone's probably going to say, oh, you pay too much, but we pay what we pay. You know, if you can get a better deal, fine. But all these construction projects and workers around here, it's 300 pesos for a inexperienced laborer. You know, they do a lot of the grunt work, mixing the cement, moving wheelbarrows and stuff, bringing the blocks around. Someone that's good at like maybe one thing, or really good at one thing, is 500 peso. But a guy like this that can do everything, like build bathroom cabinets, clean air conditioners and stuff, we pay 800. So he can clean all of them in one day for 800 pesos for a day labor rate in the Philippines, where I'd have to pay a company overhead cost 9,000. So if you know someone, or if you want to take the motivation to do it yourself, my wife did it. It's not hard, but well, I guess if you can afford to pay, right? It's not like we're doing anything. We're retired every day living in the Philippines. So thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a good day.